what the second, let's look at what the second question. Provide the structure of 2-propane thiol. Like what I've done in the first one here, I'm still going to break this one down for you. Do you understand? So now we talk about thiol. Thiol is just like SH group. Right there. So now this is what I want to explain to you. If X, just like here we have OH. Remember, if OH is the functional group, it's called alkanol. Right there. Just it's called alkanol. Do you understand? But if it's this one where is what is the functional group. But if it's a substance, if it's after a substance, it's called hydroxy. Do you understand? So OH can be alkanol and what hydroxy. Do you understand? So this one it is what it is acting as what as the functional group. This one is acting as what as the substance. That is you have higher functional group. Do you understand? This XH now when it is acting as the parent chain as the main functional group is called thiols. It's called thiol. Do you understand? But when it's acting as a substrate, when it's acting as a substrate, it's called mercaptol group. Mercaptol group. Right there. It's called mercaptol group. Do you understand? So SH can be thiol or mercaptol. Now OH can be alkanol or hydroxy. Do you understand? So we are done with this one here. So let's go from this one. So how do you name thiols? Do you understand? If for example here we have CH3, CH2, 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 XH. Do you understand? XH. Now the name. Now let me explain something here. If for example here we have RXH. Now what we want to do here? The name of this one here. So now if it's an alkane, here we have so it's going to be alkane, then the position, then thiol. Do you understand? So if this one, then if the SH is attached to a group here, there is alkane. The name of the alkane, the position of the position of what of the thiol, the position of the thiol, then thiol. Do you understand? Now, if this one have what a double bond here, then it's an alkene. So it's going to be what alkene position, then the position of the thiol, then the thiol itself. Do you understand? So this is what I'm going to look at now. So you have to take this thing down. It's very important here. So the group in short SH is attached to place a long way or go is very important. Yet. So let's name this one here. Let's name this guy here. So if you look at this one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon, all single bonds. So it's going to be what? Alkane. Now, what is the fifth members of the alkane? It's called pentane. So it's going to be pentane. Pentane. Right there. If you check very well, FH is attached to this first carbon. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right there. So it's going to be pentane 1 thiol. That is the name. Pentane 1 thiol. That is the name. Do you understand? That is the pentane 1 thiol. As easy as that. Now, if I come like this, CH3, CH2, C, SH, H, CH2. So now let's name this guy here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. So 1, 2, 3. So SH is account number 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? So now, what is the name of this guy here? 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4. So it's going to be butane. Butane. So butane thiol, but the portion of the thiol is account number 2. So it's going to be butane 2 thiol. As easy as that. Do you understand? Okay, now let's look at this one here. How do you name these compounds? Now, your thiol will always be last because it is acting as well as the functional group. Do you understand? So it will always be what? Last. It will always be what? Last. Do you understand? So now, what will not be the position of this one here? We are going to know by it. Remember, since SH is what is the functional group here, we're going to start from this point. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now, thiol, so it's going to be 3 thiol. But what is the name here? Heptane, right? But this compound here is having what? A methyl. I can't remember what three. I can't remember 6 methyl. So it's going to be 6 methyl. 6 what? Methyl. Do you understand? Now why is this 6 methyl? Because I can't remember to have a methyl group. Do you understand? Now what is the parent name? Heptane. Heptane. So this way you are now going to bring thiol now. So after everything, you now bring what? A what? 6 what? Okay, going to be what? 3 thiol. Do you understand? So 6 methyl heptane 3 thiol. Do you understand? It's very, very easy. It's not that too difficult. Now, what about if you now have a double bond? Please. Now, the main reason why I'm teaching this stuff here, so that in case, no matter how they want to set this exam, you already know the stuff here. So that's a person that will only read past question without understanding the concept. I don't want to do that here. I want to understand what the concept properly. Do you understand? So here is going to be, if for example here I now have, okay, now when now have something like this, how are you going to name it? How are you going to name this stuff here? Very important. How are you going to name this stuff? Now, here we have a what? A double bond and what? Thiol. Now, this guy will oversee this one here. Just this guy will oversee this one. So this guy must have the lowest possible number, irrespective of the what? Of the double bond here. SH must have the lowest possible number. Just so you have to start from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. Right there. Now, what is the parent name? 7 carbon is supposed to be heptane, but it is double bond, right? Double bond is coming back. So it would be 4 heptane. 4 heptane. Just and 4 what? 4 heptane. 4 heptane. I can't remember 6. I have what? A methyl. So it would be 6 methyl. 6 methyl. 4 what? 6 methyl 4 heptane. Just and then before you now put your thiol. Your thiol is account number what? 3, right? Your thiol is account number what? 3. So it's going to be 3 thiol. Just so 6 methyl 4 heptane 3 thiol. That is the what? That is the answer. Do you understand? So now go ahead and try some for me. What is the name of this guy here? Because he said you should draw the what? 3 propane thiol. Do you understand? That is the thiol is account number 2. Do you understand? So you can either propane 2 thiol or 2 propane thiol. Do you understand? So what is going to be the structure? I believe you cannot draw that structure yourself, right? Propane means 3 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. So thiol is account number 2. SH. So it's going to be hydrogen, 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 and hydrogen. Do you understand? So it's going to be CH2, CH, XH, CH2. Do you understand? So if you check very well, once you understand the topic very well, the concept, the questions are not that too difficult. Do you understand? The questions are not that too difficult. I bet you they are not that too difficult. Now, what about in a situation? What about in a situation where you have CH3, COH, hydrogen, C, you have XH, CH3. Yes. If, for example, we have some here. Now, you will have OH and what? XH. OH we act as what? As OH we act as what? OH we act as the functional group. Do you understand? OH is like the functional group. So it's going to be acanol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you understand? So it will be pentanol. OH is account number 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right there. So it's going to be 2 pentanol. So whenever XH or thiol is a substrate, that what? Mercaptone. Mercaptone. Right there. Called mercaptone group. So now it will be 4 mercaptone 2 pentanol. Do you understand? So that is what? That is the answer. So that is for what? This compound. That is for this one here. If this video is helpful, please leave a comment section that this video is helpful. So let me to question 3.